Top 5 safety razors for beginners. If you're new to wet shaving, safety razors are a great place to start. They're easy to use, affordable, and provide a close shave without irritating your skin. So let's get started. First up, we have the Merkur 34C. This is a classic safety razor that has been around for decades. It has a short handle, which makes it easy to control, and the closed comb design that's great for beginners. The Merkur 34C is also made of high quality materials, so it's going to last a long time. Next, we have the Leaf Twig. This is another popular razor that's great for beginners. It is a single edge design that differs from the double edge design of the Merkur 34C, which some people find more comfortable to use. The Leaf Shave razor is also a non-threatening look to it compared to your traditional safety razors. Great detailer. Third on our list, we have the Henson AL13. This safety razor is made out of aluminum with precision from the engineers that actually make satellite parts for space. They guarantee a smooth shave. Its lightweight, zero margin for error makes this a great choice for beginners. If you don't get the correct angle with this safety razor, it does not cut. Just a great razor. If you're making the switch, this is the one you want. I mean, the Leaf Twig is good as well, but this mild one, if you don't get the angle, it doesn't cut. That is freaking huge. Fourth on our list, we have the Rockwell 6C, which is a unique safety razor that allows you to adjust the blade gap to your liking. This means you can customize the aggressiveness of the razor to your skin type and facial hair. This is the Rockwell 6S. This one's made out of stainless steel, but it's the same razor as the Rockwell 6C. The Rockwell 6C also has a sleek design that comes in a variety of colors and is also made out of stainless steel. It's good. Last but not least, we have the Rockwell T2 stainless steel. Now it does have a larger head than the Rockwell 6C. You can see there's no blade overhang here, but you can still detail around your mouth efficiently. This is a high-end safety razor that's great for people who want the best of the best. It has a butterfly design, which is fully adjustable. That's great for beginners. And then we have the cheaper version of the T2. And I have this on slightly under $5 as well. The Rockwell T2 is also made of high quality materials that provides a very very close shave. All are pretty darn good razors. Now, all of those are really, really good razors. No stinging whatsoever on this side. Here, a little bit underneath my jawline. But, I mean, all of those razors are fantastic. And this is an alum block I just use on my face to help close pores. And then if you nick yourself or you got weepers, I found that it cuts down on skin irritation for me. So that's why I use it every time. All right, put that back in its case, and this one's from Parker. I'll put all these links down below though. You can check them out if you want to. All right, so that one's done. So now, once you put that alum on your face, you need to rinse it off. Okay, that's rinsed off. I like going in with witch hazel. The stuff is really good. It's a face toner, and I'm really liking it. A lot of the subscribers recommended it, and I use it every time now. It's so refreshing. And I think it's doing a lot for my skin, especially my head. I had a lot of spots on my head, sunspots, and using all these products now, which I never did use in the past, I can tell that my face is actually a lot better. I mean, skin-wise, how many pimples I have, or ingrown hairs, or even, you know, the glow of my skin. This stuff is really making a difference, and I didn't think I would ever be that type of person, but, you know, having a shaving channel here on YouTube, I've been using all this stuff, and I can see a major difference. So keep that in mind. You'll get the right razor, but don't forget to try the other stuff. The shaving creams, the shaving balms, the pre-shave oils, the witch hazel, face toner, you know, Nivea balm. All this stuff lets you get a good shave. And I put a post up, and, you know, what is your favorite type of shaving brush? And, you know, a small percentage, the smallest percentage was a Boar brush at 9%. Then it went up to, didn't even use a brush at all, and that was at 13%. And then it was a Badger brush at, I don't know, 20-some%, and the rest was the synthetic brushes. And this is a synthetic T3 Talifigure knot. I'm gonna tell you, this knot right here is a huge difference. And all I do is just take a shave bowl, I clean it out. I'm just putting water in here and just going around in it like I'm creating a lather to get it cleared. And it is. This is prepped for the next time. I just set it over here and it's gonna dry out. But a shaving brush is really good. But I was not shocked to see that a lot of people like these synthetic knots. This one's made in Great Britain, I believe. A Simpson knot. These are really popular. These are $40 right now on Amazon. They fluctuate. I think I paid like $38 for it. I've seen it go up to $42, but this is a 26mm knot. It's got a lot of backbone to it. You know, it's good. It's a great knot. So thanks to everybody for commenting on that post to see where the majority of people fell. So out of all those razors, I wanted to compare them for you so you could see, you know, how they react to your face, or at least mine, and, you know, and the feedback you get from it. I know when I first started shaving, I started listening to the tones of the razor, because it'll let you know when you need to flip it or go down and rinse it off. But, you know, there's a variety of different razors that you can use that I think are your top 5. So comment down below if you agree with my picks, and tell me which one you actually use or thinking about buying. Thanks for all your support to the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And check these razors out below. All right, well, I will see you guys down the road. Well, that'll wrap it up for the 5 best safety razors for beginners. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. I give a ton of safety razors and products away to the viewers.